What's up? What's up? What's up? What to sell on Amazon? I'm Horace. Thanks for coming and taking a minute to watch this quick video. I just wanted to make a quick video before I head off to work. What I wanted to talk about today is what to do when you find somebody jumping on your listings. In other words, you had something going good and all of a sudden somebody else jumped on it. But before I get into that, this channel is all about how to make money buying and selling on Amazon. Particularly, I do it through what's called online arbitrage, but I do mix in some other forms and we talk about that. But if you're interested in making some extra income, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell notification, please, so that you know when we come out with new content. Me and my main man, Go Pappy Go, Jim. That's my editor. But and also hit the thumbs up if you like the video. I hope you find the content valuable. Please share it. And last and most importantly, we have something of value outside of this realm. In fact, it's a free, 100%, always free, never pay, 12 module video course that you can get for yourself. It's so easy. All you do is go to onlineinternetprofits.com or whattosellonamazon.com. Go through the little sign up process. It's too easy. You get a complete, comprehensive A to Z video course with 12 modules that tells you everything you need to know to get started. Get yourself a jump start, and to make sure that you get a jump start by signing up for that 100% free course, there is a free leads page out there where I give free leads to help you get a jump start. You know, not only am I going to teach you everything you need to know, I'm not just going to smack you on the butt and say, go get them, Tiger. I'm going to say, hey, here's a couple of free leads. If you get started right now, get something in the pipeline while you're searching and sourcing for product. I don't get a chance to update that as much as I would like because, as you guys know, those who already know me, I work. I'm a truck driver. So I'm doing this as a benefit to you, trying my best, Gemini, to add value to your ability to be successful. I do the best that I absolutely can, and I hope you appreciate it. Share this with others. Quit being so doggone selfish and let others know that this is out there. And you know what? Before I even forget, here's an example. For those of you who are subscribed, for those of you that are taking advantage, here's a deal. Some of you guys may remember this. This was on the free leads. I found this on Slick Deals, right? All it was a beauty makeup kit from Ulta, whatever. Something I wouldn't even know about, but I happen to be on Slick Deals, which is a site that I give many demonstrations on how I use to find good deals. And 4 of them sold. You can see. Sold for $39.67. I paid $19.07. Let's look at how that breaks down. That one is pending, so I'm not going to be able to see everything that I want to see on that. Give me a second. What I want to do is click on the order number. That way I can show you the breakdown. So you can see here, it sold for $39.67, but when we click on that, now we get to the complete breakdown. $27.87 came to me. So if I paid roughly 19, 20 bucks, I probably made about $8 after everything. Hold on one second. Okay. So, like I said, this was a deal that you could have jumped on. And let me know. If anybody took advantage of this, leave a comment. If anybody is finding value in the free leads that I'm giving, leave a comment. If you're not finding value, leave a comment. You know, let's get involved, let's get together, and let's get this money. But I'm going to tell you one more thing. You know, you see, I sold it for $39.67. Here's what you got to look at. Here's the listing, and you got 34 of us selling this product. And of course, we're only interested in the prime, but look at what happened. I'm selling it for 39 whatever. Here's somebody out there selling it for 27. Okay, you're gonna have that. So my point is this: when you find a deal, you need to jump on it. Hurry up and get that inventory into Amazon ASAP. You are not the only person looking at these deals, and some people, they are more concerned. People have different business models. Okay, some people are interested in owning the buy box, and they don't care about making the most money. They're more concerned with turning revenue. Hey, this is their business model. I can't tell you what the deal is with that. Personally, that's not my model. But you know, I sold some. Now I'm not going to sell for a while because other people have jumped in, and I have to wait for them to sell out, and they will. Trust and believe. When you're killing your own pricing, when you're constantly cutting prices just so that you can make a sale, just so that you can say you're generating revenue, just so you can feel good, you're going to sell out. So when people do that, you just got to be patient. You know, he's $27.99, but he's back ordered. Okay. This guy's selling at $29.90, but you can see he's a new jack. He just got started. Here's a guy, another cheapie, but he's back ordered. And when you look at the number of his reviews, he ain't been around that long. I mean, so you know, you gotta take it all in context. But yeah, if you guys are getting value out of this, please leave a comment. Please encourage others. You have to take action, guys. To make money in this business, you have to be making the purchases. The money is made when you make the purchase. Okay? But you gotta be making your purchases, and you have to be sending in. You should be purchasing at least 5 days a week. Okay? Or however you break it down, but it has to be consistent. You have to feed the beast. You'll hear people talking about that. So yeah. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about was when people jump on your listings. And let me explain how the scenario usually plays out like this. You get started on Amazon. You're a little skeptical at first, possibly. Then you see that it works. And once you see that it works, boom, you are excited. You're doing the work, your due diligence, you're finding deals, and then it happens. Then you find something that not only gives you huge return on investment. I mean, you might be getting an ROI of 300% or whatever. Not only are you getting that, you're replenishing the items. So this is something that you can count on. To really build the business, you have to have a certain portion of your inventory that is replenishable, so that you got that steady base, and all the other things add to that, but you need that base. And every day you're watching them sales go, and you're just re-upping, and everything's going good, and then all of a sudden it ain't moving no more. So then you go out to your listing, and guess what? Where there once was just you, or maybe two of you, now there's either one guy that comes out there and he's just undercutting everybody, or I've even had it happen to me where I go back and now there's 8 people out there. And then once that happens, a lot of them all race to the bottom. A lot of them use repricers. If you don't know what that is, that's a program that automatically reprices your product based on certain criteria that you give it. Actually, Amazon has that as included in your Amazon seller account that you can use. I don't use a repricer, and I have my reasons for that, and I'll probably make a video so we can talk about it. But whatever the case, you're gonna be upset because At least if you're like me. I was upset because I felt like, you know what? You'll see somebody, you'll start to recognize names of these stores, and all of your best listings, you'll see that person has jumped on the best of your listings. Now think about that. You did the work, the due diligence, the trial, the error. You got a good 5-10 products that are moving, and now you look and here this guy is on every damn listing. And not only is he jumping on it, he's not going to jump on it and share the buy box with you. No, he's going to jump on it and undercut you. It's not enough for him to benefit off of your work, having given nothing. That's not enough. No, he's got to take all of your sales after he, takes advantage of all the hard work that you've done. That will tick you off if you're not careful. And I say that because you really don't want to get ticked off. There's nothing you could do about it. It's a free market. Amazon loves it because who benefits when sellers continue marking down their products so that no one makes a profit? Who benefits? The Amazon customer. Well, that's what Amazon wants. So they encourage you to race to the bottom, because then people get things cheap and they come back when they get things cheap. But you're devaluing and you're taking away from your own profit. Now, some people, that's just how they do. And they will eventually run themselves out of business. And then when they run themselves out of business, a whole new crop of them are right there ready to do the same thing. So you're just going to have to accept the fact that this is what happens. Now, you could go, and I've done this, you could find this guy who's jumping on all your listings. You can go look at his storefront, and you can start saying, okay, I'll cherry pick some of yours. And you know what? I found some good ones that way. But for the most part, I would advise just overlook it. You have teachers, you have people who teach people to do that, to go out and stalk other stores and take their best listings. I mean, they have programs that do it. There's one called Storefront Stalker, and I'm not saying it's such a bad thing. When you're stalking someone's store, and this guy is a big dog, you're not going to hurt him. But when you're stalking somebody who might have about 1,000 ratings, this guy's still coming up, man. You're taking from him. But hey, you're gonna do what you're gonna do. This is part of being human. We do what we do, and then we justify it. We'll find a way to justify it. And I tell you, the truth of the matter, and the bottom line is, it's a free and open market on Amazon. And one of the best things that has helped me is getting into more restricted products. And a lot of restricted items and categories come available to you as you stay in the business. So just hang in there. You'll make it. And usually it's a little bit of patience on one end. Once you have your product out there and you see somebody doing that, it's just a patience issue. Now, if you're into things that have expiration dates, and that will happen, and you get these guys, now you don't have as much of the time factor because you got to watch, this stuff is going to expire. In that case, just get out of it. It's not even worth it. I'll tell you another way. I'll give you one more example and then I'll let you go. Bundling is a good one, because bundling requires work, and generally the lazy guy that wants to jump on your listings without doing the work and take advantage and suck out all the work that you've done for nothing, that guy's not willing to take a few extra steps. So if you find some deals, or you create some listings where you bundle 2 or 3 of a product together, a lot of times that'll knock out the lazy, leech worm that would just jump on your listings like that. And when you do have someone that jumps on with you, generally he'll share with you, because he has work ethic. You know what I mean? He usually has some value, and he's willing to take a few extra steps. So you're dealing, you have low lives out here, and you have high class people out here. That's just the world. So that's my take on what to do when somebody jumps on your listings. It's bound to happen if you're in this long enough. Keep your mind right. Keep moving. You can't stop them. Focus on you. Make the best decision with what you have and keep it moving. I hope this helps. I hope that was valuable. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification. Give this a thumbs up. Leave a comment. What do you think about people jumping on your listings? Have you had it happen? What's your business model, and how does that tie in? Make sure you visit and get signed up for the free 12-module course. Again, that's go to onlineinternetprofits.com or whattosellonamazon.com. Take a few minutes to sign up. Enjoy the course. Enjoy the free leads. I update that as often as I can. Thanks so much for taking some time to invest in your future. And we're going to change some lives here. Okay? One lead at a time. I'm Horace. This is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm out.